Students, in our last class we have discussed about definition of arithmetic progression and the general form of an arithmetic progression. So we know that an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So the fixed number is called the common difference, and the general form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. So this is the general form of an arithmetic progression. So in today's class we will solve some of the examples which is there in the textbook. Let us solve the worked examples. Let us take the first problem. For the AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, etc. Write the first term A and the common difference D. So here arithmetic progression is given. So in this arithmetic progression we have to write the first term and we have to write the common difference. Okay, already we know that. So in this arithmetic progression the first number is called the first term. So the first number itself is called the first term. Therefore we can write the first term is 3 by 2. So here given in this arithmetic progression the first term is 3 by 2. So here 3 by 2 is the first term. Then we have to find the common difference. So the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 means, so A2 is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So we can write 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So second term minus first term. Second term is A2 minus first term is A1. Here the second term is 1 by 2 and the first term is 3 by 2. A2 minus A1. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Now the LCM of the denominators is 2. LCM of the denominators 2 and 2 is 2 only. So we can write 2 over the numerator we can write 1 minus 3. So that is equal to 1 minus 3 which is equal to minus 2. So here it is minus 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 divided by 2. So minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So this minus 1 is the common difference. So here minus 1 is the common difference in this arithmetic progression. So what we have to do? We have to do the first term is 3 by 2. So if we observe, we can notice that the first term is 3 by 2. Then how to find the difference? Difference is A2 minus A1. So that is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is minus 2 by 2 which is equal to minus 1. So this minus 1 is the common difference in this arithmetic progression. Now let us move to next problem. Which of the following list of numbers forms an AP? If they form an AP, write the next two terms. So we have to write the next two terms. First problem, 4 comma minus 10 comma minus 16 22. So in this arithmetic progression let us write A1. So A1 is equal to 4. Then the second term A2 is equal to 10. Then the third term A3 is equal to 16. Like this the fourth term is 22. So here in this problem we have to check whether the given list of numbers form an AP or not. First we have to check whether this given list of numbers form an AP or not. So if the given list of numbers forms an AP, so we have to find the next two terms in this arithmetic progression. Okay. So we have written the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So how to check whether the given arithmetic progression, given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression? First, let us find the difference between the numbers or difference between the terms. Okay. So we have a2 minus a1, which is equal to a2 is 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So a2 minus a1. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So 6 is the common difference. Then a3 minus a2. So a3 is 16, a2 is 10. 16 minus 10 is 6. So 6 is the common difference. Then similarly we can find a4 minus a3. a4 is 22, fourth term, minus third term is 16, which is equal to 6. Now the difference between the terms is common. So if you see, the difference between the terms is common. 6, 6, 6, like this. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. So here the common difference is same. So the given list of numbers forms an AP. So we can conclude that the list of numbers which forms an AP. So if the given list of numbers forms an AP, then we can find the next two terms of this arithmetic progression. Therefore, the given list of numbers forms an AP with the common difference is 6. Okay, now let us find the next two terms in this arithmetic progression. So how to find the next two terms in this arithmetic progression? So students, you can see, we can add 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, 10 plus 6 is equal to 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, again 22 plus 6 is 28, 28 plus 6 is 34, like this. If you add the difference, you can get the succeeding term. Therefore, the next two terms are 22 plus 6. So we have to add 6 because 6 is the common difference. So after 22, the next term is 28. 28 is the next term. Then after 28, again you add plus 6. Again you add 6 because 6 is the common difference. So you will get 34. So the next two terms are 28 and 34 respectively. So the next two terms in this arithmetic progression are 28 and 34 respectively. Okay, we will move to next sum. So 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. So in this given list of numbers, we have to check whether the given list of numbers forms an AP or not. First, let us write the first term. A1 is equal to 1. So first term is 1. Then the second term is A2, which is equal to minus 1. Third term is minus 3. And the fourth term is 5, minus 5. So first term is A1, second term is A2, and the third term is A3, and the fourth term is A4. So we have written the terms in this given list. Now let us find the common difference. So how to find the common difference? A2 minus A1, then A3 minus A2, then A4 minus A3. Like this we can write. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Then A3. So here A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 3. We have written A3 is equal to minus 3. Then minus A2. So A2 is minus 1. So minus 3. So here we multiply the sign. Minus into minus is plus. So if you multiply the sign, so you will get minus into minus is plus. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Similarly, A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 is equal to A4 is minus 5 minus of minus 3. So you multiply these two, minus of minus 3. So minus 5 minus is plus 3, which is equal to minus 2. So if you observe the common difference, So the common difference is same. In all time the common difference is same. In general, ak plus 1 minus ak is the same every time. So ak plus 1 is the next term minus the preceding term. Term and the preceding term, the common difference of these two is same in every time. So k plus 1 is the succeeding term and this ak is the preceding term. Okay. Now here what happens? The given list of numbers forms an AP. Therefore, the common difference of this is minus 2. The common difference is minus 2 in this arithmetic progression. Now we have to find the next two terms in this arithmetic progression. So just add minus 2 in this given list of numbers. So minus 2. So if you add minus 2, what happens? So here minus 5 is their last term, minus 5 plus of minus 2. So you multiply this minus 5 and minus into minus is plus into minus is minus 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Similarly, so after getting minus 7, again you add the common difference, minus 7 plus of minus 2. So minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. So the two terms in this arithmetic progression are minus 7 and minus 9 respectively. So minus 9 and minus 7 and minus 9 are the two terms in this arithmetic progression. Okay, let us move to next problem. So minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2, etc. So we have to check whether the given list of numbers forms an AP or not. So let us write the first term a1 is equal to minus 2 and the second term a2 is equal to 2. So a2 is, this is a2 is the second term. Then what is a3? a3 is equal to minus 2. a3 is minus 2. Then a1 is the first term, a1 is equal to minus 2. Now let us find the common difference. So already we know that how to find the common difference. a2 minus a1. a2 is 2 minus a1 is minus 2. So if you add these two, so minus into minus is plus, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now let us take the difference of the third term and the second term, a3 minus a2. a3 is minus 2 minus a2 is 2. See here a2 is 2. Here a2 is 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Now let us find the difference of a4 minus a3. a4 is 2 minus a3 is minus 2, bracket of minus 2. So minus into minus is, if you multiply these two signs, so minus into minus is plus. See the common difference. Here we got plus 4, here we got minus 4, here we got plus 4. So the common difference is not same. So what we can conclude? So we can conclude that here a1 minus a2 is not equal to a3 minus a2. So here a2 minus a1 is 4 and a3 minus a2 is minus 4. So this is plus 4 and this value is minus 4. See here a3 minus a2 is minus 4. Here a2 minus a1 is plus 4. So the given list of numbers does not form an AP because the common difference is not same. So we can conclude that the given list of numbers which does not form an AP. So if the given list of numbers does not form an AP, then this is not an arithmetic progression. So we can conclude that, so the given list of numbers does not form an AP.